So a really important thing that I think we learned from our evaluation of Lyrics2Learn is that teachers find the program motivating for their students, and that their students are particularly engaged when they are using Lyrics2Learn. And that's so important, because if students aren't motivated and engaged, you're not going to use it, right? It makes your life easier, certainly. And we found 100% of these teachers that were teaching over almost 1,000 children, that they would recommend it to a colleague and that they found it relevant for their work. So if something isn't relevant or meaningful, you're not going to use it as well. So really key that Lyrics2Learn is not only motivating and engaging, but easy to use and can seamlessly be integrated into the teacher's already busy day.
Absolutely, and the exciting thing for me looking at Lyrics2Learn and the students who were performing in Lyrics2Learn was their achievement on standardized measures. So Lyrics2Learn students outperformed their non-Lyrics2Learn counterparts on the standardized measures here in Colorado. So that's the CMAS PARC, the DIBELS composite scores. They perform better than their peers in almost every field of that, which is very exciting to see for any sort of intervention. So I think for me that would probably be the biggest takeaway, is that not only do teachers find it easy to use, but on top of that, the students are actually performing better.
And I think on top of that, a really important thing to remember is that the more that these teachers were using Lyrics2Learn, the higher those scores went. So as using Lyrics2Learn as little as 3 times a week, as intended or with fidelity, we saw greater gains, so more significant outcomes for these Lyrics2Learn students compared to students who are not using Lyrics2Learn. So if you don't use it, it isn't going to work, but you only have to use it as little as 3 times a week to see those huge gains.